Hey y'all, we're going to try this again. We're going to try to make this really quick. I am in the middle of trying to do an unboxing. An unboxing by Allure. The Allure box. It was a free gift box sent to me for, I put my account on hold and they sent me this free box. And I'm going quick because I think my battery might die and this is like my 4th try at doing this. So, the Allure Beauty Box. It has a cute little saying on the inside, leaves town for the weekend, packs 10 lipsticks, it says. And inside this cute little beauty loot bag came Pantene foam conditioner, sheer volume, conditioner revitalization. Yeah, there goes that other language. So it's foaming conditioner for your hair. And then there was this eyeliner, Beauty for Real eyeline. It says, I'm assuming the color is whiskey. It's 24/7 eyeliner. Let's see what the color looks like. Oh, that's pretty. It's my color. Yeah, I like that. Glides on easy. And you guys, my hand, so I'm right-handed, but my hand hurts, so we're using my left hand. Which, it hurts because it got closed in an elevator. So then my kitty cat earlier was helping me open this box that also came in this box. It's Kat Von D Sinner Eau de Parfum. Parfum. So I opened it and oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so yummy. Yes. Okay, so those are 2 of the items that were in the box. 3 of the items. Because there was the eyeliner, the foaming conditioner that came in the little beauty loot bag, and the perfume. Now, what else have we got here? It says Style Purology Serious Color Care Hydrant. Air Dry Cream. Easy, no blow dry styler for dry color treated hair. Trial sample. Cool. See that? That's in my beauty box. So I was telling you, my hand got crushed in an elevator. Between the elevator door and a luggage cart. Oh, what is this? Kors. Established in 1996. Wild Rose. Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial. Huh. Let's open this. Please don't be no little tiny foil thing on there. There is. So now I should smell that pure style too, huh? Let's see. It smells like rose. If you're it's supposed to be a sleeping mask. But see. Smells good. Doesn't feel real greasy or anything. It actually feels nice and smooth like. And I know it's a mask, so that means in the morning it gets washed off, but I like the way that feels. We'll see if it dries matte. And the Purology, Style Purology, Air Dry. This is for your hair. But let's see what it smells like. And you guys excuse my hair. My hair is naturally curly. And I'm going to have to read what ingredients are in there because I don't know if I like that smell. Do I? I don't know, it's got kind of a... It almost has like a patchouli smell. And I don't like patchouli. 100% vegan ingredients. which I know that matters to a lot of people, but I'm not a vegan. Avene, Aoxative, antioxidant protection. I don't know what it's for, but, and that's the final thing that come in the box. Let's open this up, see what we got. Looks pretty full. I just got new glasses and I still can't read that little print. I don't know what it's for. Defense antioxidant. That's a different language. That's a different language. These are all different languages. Oh, I found English. Antioxidant defense serum. Apply morning and or evening before moisturizer to the entire face, neck, and for external use only. I don't know what that "and" word is because I can't read it. Okay, so I guess it goes under the moisturizer. It's an antioxidant protection for your face. So I'll have to use that underneath the sunblock this year, if I go out in the sun. So that was a free Allure box that I got because I had canceled. Well, I called to cancel, and they were like, would you like just to put it on hold for 2 months? And I was like, sure. And they go, and we'll send you a free gift box. And I was like, okay, because I like the Allure box. I really like the Allure box. And so this is going to be really cool that I get to try all this stuff this time for free, because I didn't have to pay for this box. But you want to see what the best part of this box is? Watch this. This is going to be my beauty. Oh, I didn't show you the foaming thing. Hey, Gizmo. Mommy's hand is hurting. But Gizmo, Mommy's got a little box here that's got stuff in it. I wonder if he'll play. Let's get our perfumes and all that out of the way. Gizmo. Hey. I don't know if he'll want to play or not, but usually he does. He's my play cat. Hey, yoo-hoo. I know, it's just crinkled paper, but yoo-hoo. Can y'all see him? I knew he wouldn't be able to stand it. Ew, it's a mess. Ooh, it's a mess. I knew it. This is how my unboxings usually end. Me playing with the packing with the cat. My kids are all grown. And, oh, you better give me that back. Oh, he's taking it into his bed. Give me that. There goes the box. It's gone. Gizmo's taking it. It's in here. You gotta be careful.